Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. The wig that I am reviewing today is from Outre. Her name is Lorenza. She will be in the color DRFF2 Honey Amber Brown. Right now I'm just prepping my hair. If you are interested in picking up that growth oil, I will link her in my description box as well. She is a black owned, woman owned company. The health of my hair is extremely important up under these units. I'm just being very mindful and very intentional with the hair underneath these wigs. Like I said, everything about Lorenza will be in my description box below. As y'all can see, she is 40 inches. So for all my wig wearers, the longer the synthetic wig, the more she will tangle. And of course, synthetic wigs, you can definitely get away with wearing her for multiple wears, and you just have some synthetic wigs that, hey, she was just a moment. Okay, she is a 1-dayer, a 2-dayer, baby. She probably just a photo shoot hair and you take her off after 4 hours. I did end up picking up this synthetic spray. It's like a detangling spray. I will link a picture in the video. I will be doing a video on detangling this unit with that spray, so y'all stay tuned for that. Lorenza so far is such a pretty wig though. I love the color of this unit. I love the length, the style, everything. I wouldn't suggest wearing this in hot weather. She's 40 inches. She's a lot of hair. But the density of this unit makes the 40-inch look natural, in my opinion. So right now I am cutting that lace off. The texture of this unit does give silky, but she does have this kink to her. The lace was definitely a great indicator of me liking this unit, because if the lace wasn't going to lay down, I probably wasn't going to like this unit. So of course, if you manipulate her too much, she will frizz up. The more you manipulate, the bigger the hair. So I ended up putting my Nairobi foaming mousse just to calm her down, just to bring those waves back. So I did see this trick on TikTok. This girl used like tape to take off like excess glue along the hairline around the lace, and baby, the best thing I could have ever discovered. So of course I am doing this before I apply my makeup, because when you don't clean off the residue of that glue and you're adding your makeup on, the makeup is literally just going to sit on top of the glue. You want that surface to be as clean as possible. The pros that I had with Lorenza: color, style. I even enjoyed the 40 inches of hair, quiet as it's kept. But obviously the cons with her, she does tangle in the end. Like I said, I am going to be using that detangling spray, and I will definitely do my research and I will come back to y'all with my findings. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. You can purchase this unit in my description box below. I will have the purchase link. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.